Good morning, students. This lesson is for class 3 for the subject of mathematics, which is covered in chapter 4, multiplication of your textbook, titled Essential Mathematics, Srijan, and is being submitted to you on 12th of July 2021. Dear students, let us continue our topic of multiplication and learn how to write the product without actual multiplication if we need to multiply a given number by 10, 100 and 1000. Dear children, you will definitely enjoy doing this. So let us start and first learn how to multiply a number by 10. Now as you can see, when we are writing 10, 10 means 1 and 0. So whenever we need to multiply a number by 10, it's very simple. Just write 1 0 along with the number which you are multiplying. As in the given example, it is 4 multiplied by 10. So very simple, you just multiply 4 by 1. 4 ones are 4 and put 1 0 in front. So 4 tens are is 40. Similarly, a two-digit number such as 18 multiplied by 10. So 18 into 1 is 18 and 1 0 along with the answer, that is 18 into 10 is 180. Now multiplying a three-digit number, no need to worry. Just 672 multiply by 1 and 1 0 in front. So it is 672 and 0. Similarly, 422 into 10. So 422 and 1 0 again. So the answer is 4220. So this is how we have to multiply by 10. Fine. So now we will learn how to multiply a number by 100. Now as we all know, 100 is having two zeros. So simply write two zeros to the right of the number which you are multiplying. As 5 into 100 is 500, that is 500. So 45 into 100, no need to worry. Simply write 45 along with two zeros, that is 4500. Similarly, 161 into 100 is 161 along with two zeros. So 342 into 100 is 342 along with two zeros. So simply put two zeros along with the number which you are multiplying. Now let's learn how to multiply a number by 1000. So simply to multiply a number by 1000, write 3 zeros to the right of the number. As 3 multiplied by 1000 is 3 along with 3 zeros, that is 3000. 12 into 1000, 12 ones are 12, put 3 zeros and it will be 12,000. 5 multiplied by 1000 gives us 5000. And 16 into 1000 is 16 along with 3 zeros. So children, while doing calculations of this type, just write the number and put the zeros accordingly. All of you may now please open page number 62 of your textbook and solve exercise 4.5. You may pause the lesson here for 3 minutes. Let us solve exercise 4.5. It's very simple to solve. As I have just told you in the examples, we have to see the number with which we are multiplying. As here in the A part, 9 is multiplied by 10. So 10 is having 1 0. So simply write 9 tens is 90. So multiplication with 10 will be having 1 0 in the product. 36 into 10 is 360. Similarly, 24 into 10 will be giving you the answer with 1 0. Now we can check out multiplication by 100. 62 into 100 will be 6200. With 1000, 5 into 1000 gives us 5000. 9 into 1000 is 9000. So you may solve this exercise yourself. Let us now learn the properties of multiplication. Property 1 of multiplication says product of any number and 1 is that number itself. For example, if we are multiplying 5 by 1, the answer is 5. 32 multiplied by 1, the answer is 32. Also, when 1 is multiplied by any number, the answer is again the number itself. For example, 1 into 45 is 45 and 1 into 456 is 456. Coming on to the property 2 of multiplication. The product of two numbers is the same even if the order of numbers is changed. Children, as you can say, as per this property, the product of two numbers, for example, the two numbers are 2 and 8. And 2 into 8 is 16. Also, when 8 is multiplied by 2, the answer is the same, that is 16. So, the product of two numbers is the same even if the order of the numbers is changed. For example, 11 into 7 is 77, and if the order is reversed of the numbers, that is 7 into 11 is also 77. Now, moving on to the third property of multiplication. As per this property, we can change the grouping of the three numbers when finding their product. Let us multiply the three numbers which are 2, 6 and 8. So, when we need to multiply three numbers and we are grouping any two numbers, for example, here we have grouped 2 and 6. That is 2 and 6 are in one group and 8 is in the another group. Or we are keeping 2 separate and 6 and 8 are in one group. So, 2 into 6 is 12 multiplied by 8. 12 8s is 96. Or 2 multiplied by 6 8s is 48. 2 multiplied by 48 will give us 96. So, in both the cases, the product is the same. So, this property says if we can change the grouping of the three numbers, then there is no change in the product and the product is also the same. Now, the fourth property, very simple. The product of a number and 0 is 0. You multiply any number with 0, the answer will be 0. Or you multiply the number with 0, the answer will comes out to be 0. For example, 8 into 0 is 0 and 0 multiplied by 532 is also 0. Let us now move to next very interesting part and learn how to estimate the product with the help of the given examples. Example number 1, estimate product of 72 and 357 after rounding to nearest tens. Children, you all are familiar how to round off the numbers. So, 72, when rounded off to nearest 10, it definitely gives us 70 because the number 2 is at the ones place. So, it will be taken as 70 and 357 is taken as 360. So, when we need to take out the estimated product, simply multiply the non-zero numbers as I have done here. 36 multiplied by 7 is 252 and then see how many zeros are there in the number. So, 1 0 is of 70 and 1 0 is of 360. So, multiplying the non-zero numbers, 252 along with 2 zeros is the estimated product. Now, we will learn how to multiply a number by rounding the product to nearest hundreds. And the question is, multiply 2015 by 2 and then round the product to nearest hundreds. Children, you have to round the product only. Just see what is there in the question. So, first of all, multiply the given number, that is 2015 is to be multiplied by 2 and when the answer comes, this is the product. This is to be rounded off to nearest hundreds. So, the answer is 4030 and when we have rounded it off, the answer comes out to be 4 thousands. Fine. Moving on to the example 3 now. Multiply 1523 by 5 and then round the product to nearest thousands. So, 1523 is to be multiplied by 5 and the product we get is 7615. And when this product is to be rounded off to nearest thousands, as you can see, there is 6 at the hundreds place. So we need to change it to nearest thousands and the estimated answer is 8,000. So dear students, here I am concluding the topic. Please do the given home assignment questions yourself. From exercise 4.6, you have to do all parts in your book only. And from the subjective assignment, kindly do the parts question number 4, 5, 6 and 7 in your notebook. Thank you, students.